Welcome back. Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, Richard D'Souza, has confirmed that some miscreants have stolen 4 cameras fixed by the department near Deroda Satre in Madai Wildlife Sanctuary. No cameras are stolen from Kotigaon Wildlife Sanctuary. There is no escape for the culprit as the department has identified him with the help of locals. He also informed that a male tiger has been spotted on camera at Bhimgarh in Karnataka. Richard D'Souza also said the department has taken temporary halt and laying of camera traps in Madai forest will resume from September onwards.
4 have been stolen in Madai Sanctuary next to Derode Satre, perhaps because they were put near the villages and to trap because they had seen pug marks of animals, so presuming that the tiger could be coming into the village. In one of the cameras, the half of the poachers or somebody carrying a gun has been seen, which we are trying to find out now through villagers because they'll be able to recognize the person. We have tracked down the person whom he is when he is trying to hide, but we will catch him because he has already been on record. So we will catch him.
PCCF is confident of nabbing the culprit soon. Richard D'Souza also informed that a male tiger has been spotted on the Bhimgarh side in Karnataka.
Tiger has been found now on the Karnataka side. One male tiger has been found on that is the Bhimgarh side. So that has been also tracked by Dr. Ullas Karan because he is working on both sides of the sanctuary.
Forest Department has taken temporary halt for laying of camera traps in Madai Sanctuary. Work will resume after rains.
And now that he has stopped because of the rain, after 2 months again he will start. And we'll get more data because we'll have a lot of more time now to put the traps, right from September, October till the next rains come in June next year.
So security to providing those endangered animals is also a big question. So are you increasing some measures regarding that?
No, animals are protected in the as far as the ghats are there, all the animals are well protected. There is no. Recently, we have caught one person with 2 mouse deers. We have taken action. We have seized his car, his equipment, his gun, everything.
An inmate of cell number 5 at Sada Sub-Jail, Deepak Sinari, went berserk and damaged a television set on Thursday afternoon. This is the third violent reaction of drug case under trial Deepak Sinari, who is also undergoing treatment at the IPHB. Assistant Jail Superintendent Bhanudas Pednekar has lodged a complaint at Murgaon Police Station on Thursday evening.
Sada Sub-Jail is in the news once again. A lot of unwanted action has been happening at this jail situated in the port town. An inmate of cell number 5, Deepak Sinari, turned violent and damaged a television set on Thursday afternoon. It was around 2:30 then. Jail authorities have confirmed a loss of around 6,000 rupees. Assistant Jail Superintendent Bhanudas Pednekar has lodged a complaint at Murgaon Police Station on Thursday evening. Under trial in a drug case, Deepak Sinari has committed such an act for the third time now. Earlier in 2012, inmate Sinari had broken the metal detector's door frame, and much before that, Deepak Sinari had damaged a television set by banging it on the legs of another inmate. Deepak Sinari is mentally unstable and is a patient of IPHB. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Government Employees Association has taken a dig at administration of the GMC. President of the association, Mangaldas Shetkar, has demanded release of 3 months' salary to the technicians. He also condemned the statement by the GMC authorities that ECG technicians are absconding when they were reporting to their duties regularly. However, the association feels the technicians cannot perform their duties as they are placed under suspension. 6 ECG technicians have been reported to be under suspension for insubordination.
We condemn the statement, if at all they have given to the press that they have been absconder. It is totally a fraud and false, and we condemn such statements. All the technicians who have been suspended or who are here, they have been regularly discharging their duties without evoking any service rule by which the governing service rules. You cannot arbitrarily deny the payment monthly salaries, and that too consecutively for 3 months. This is totally against the law. They have bluntly violated the human rights again. It has to be an order and not the memorandum. It has to be an order of suspension. Here they make all the mistakes that it is a suspension memorandum. Memorandum, as we know, we understand, it is an explanation sought against the certain issues. To release their salary immediately.
KP Mamladar, along with police, raided alleged illegal excavation of laterite stones at Bante, Fatorpa. Police have attached 2 tempos and seized laterite stones. All the workers and the drivers fled from the site. KP Mamladar Manoj Kurgankar said matter would be reported to the Mines Department and further action will be initiated. The raid was initiated following a complaint by the Sarpanch of Fatorpa.
One day Fatorpa म्हणटा illegal exhibition चलता laterite stone, laterite in the sense rubble काडटा म्हणून. So जे 2-3 सालांनी लोकांक भरपूर त्रास जाता. So it is illegal म्हणून. So आज हांव along with my CI circle inspector आनी हांव वचून आज सकाळ फुडें थंयसर ती inspection केलें आनी I have 2 vehicle attach केल्या आनी 2 vehicle with rubbles partly fill केल्ल्यो आनी काम चलता laborer सगळे पळोवन गेले. So along with 2 vehicle आनी बाकीचे सामान गमेलास आनी तें हांव तें अटॅच केलां आनी पुलीस एक लेटर केलां कुंकळ्ळे पुलीस स्टेशन एक लेटर केलां की ते अटॅच करून डिटेन करून दवर म्हणून. सो
ड्रायव्हर कोण मेळ्ळा तुमी?
ड्रायव्हर ना, ड्रायव्हर पळोवन गेल्ले पळोवन गेले लोकांक गेले.
लोकल कोण ना?
ना थंय जाग्यार कोण ना म्हणजे आमचे व्हेकल कोण ते पळोवन गेले दॅट आय हॅव सीन.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.